Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Square to WooCommerce. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress account. After logging in, you will be directed to WordPress dashboard. For my case, I already set up my WooCommerce. So, I will proceed to the next step. Go to Plugins, then, at the top of the screen, click Add New Plugin. After that, go to plugin search bar and type in Square, then click Enter. Now look for WooCommerce Square, and as you can see, this will help you to accept payments, synchronize sales, and manage inventory and product between WooCommerce and Square. Now click Install, then you will need to activate it first. Click Activate, and after that, you will now be able to use it. And that's it. You have now connected Square to WooCommerce. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.